What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Thanks for clicking on it. Thanks for checking this one out. But today I hope it's a good one for you guys. I'm getting ready to meet up with a C6 Corvette and get some rolls in, see how this thing does. Should be pretty interesting. I love Corvettes. I love the C6 platform. So should be a pretty cool video. I'm really curious to see how this stacks up against one. It's not a Z06, but it's still C6 base model. So, you know, it should be a pretty cool video. This guy messaged me on Facebook, said he's seen the YouTube videos and, you know, he thinks it'd be a cool run against the Mustang. So I said, why not? So I'm getting ready to meet up with him and we're gonna head to Mexico. So let's get ready to head out. Actually, I think that's my friend up here in this truck, the Turbo LS Silverado. That'd be a cool run. Let's see. We'll wait for traffic. Yeah, so this is his Silverado short bed LS swap, single turbo kit on it. I don't really know too much about it, but I'm gonna see if he'll follow us so we can talk to him about it. But he's a good friend of mine, cool dude. He's always down for some fun. I think it made over 500 wheels, so he's definitely gonna pull me up top, but it should still be pretty fun just to see how I stand against it. So let's go. It's totally unexpected. It's totally random, so it should be pretty fun. Here we go. You ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. What happened?
Go when it kicks down.
I'll give you the hit.
Oh, you want to just go on green? Or we'll go to 40 and then we'll do it.
Yeah, I'll do the 1, 2, 3. I'll let you go and then I'll go.
Just once it kicks down, you go and I'll, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. That was good.
Oh, you're fucking good. You want to do it again real quick?
Let's try it.
Ready?
Hold on. Go ahead. Woo! All right, buddy. That was awesome, man. I love races like that, especially the random ones that come out of nowhere and they're just a ton of fun. That was a badass truck that he built. It's got like his own custom single turbo kit on it. He said it made about 530 wheel. He had to go or else he would have been meeting up with us over here so we could chat. But yeah, that was a ton of fun. It's just hard to get clean runs in off with those auto cars like that, but I just let him get the hit and it wound up being some really cool runs. So I hope you guys enjoyed that one. But now here we're gonna meet up with the guy with the C6 and see what happens.
haven't dyno tuned it yet, but this guy out of Jersey, he like basically sat down and did some stuff to it. Got rid of my evap stuff. That's about it. So I don't know really what it's putting down. I'd say roughly about 400.
Yeah.
To the wheels probably.
That's probably realistic.
Yeah.
So intake, long tubes,
and full exhaust.
full exhaust.
Speed engineering headers and X pipe and
Yeah.
the rest of that. What's that? Is LS2 car? Yeah, LS2. Yeah.
Yeah, I've never, like I said, I don't know how fast that is. I don't know how slow it is. So
Yeah.
I could beat you. I could lose. I don't know. So we'll find out.
Right?
Exactly. Just here. I'm just here to have fun. So
Yeah, that's it, man. Got some new beats.
there you go.
Literally today.
Yeah, I seen your old tires were pretty beat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were still gripping though.
Was it?
Not too bad, yeah.
Wow. This is just not cooperating for us. At least I got a couple runs in with them. As you can see, it's pretty close actually. We started to pull on one of them, actually all of them, but just traffic is not cooperating with us right now. But the Volkswagen and the Vet just got something in, so I hope he got a video. I'll put that in here too. You already know that thing's pretty quick for what it is, but I need some gas, so we're gonna stop and get some gas and talk some shit, see what happens. I do miss that LS sound. I'd be lying if I said I didn't. I'd be lying. It's alright. Once I get an exhaust on this thing, we'll be alright. I'm pretty impressed with this thing though, man. Intake and tune, that is it. Pretty impressed. I love it. And I just cannot wait. I'm so excited to keep adding power to it. And once this thing has any kind of forced induction on it, it's going to be fun. It's going to be a lot of fun. And I think it's going to be a pretty hard car to beat from a roll. Once I get a suspension on this thing and a drive shaft, it will definitely see a lot of dig racing and track action. So definitely keep an eye out for that, guys. But this was an awesome video, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it and having some fun. But if you do, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Woo! And I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching.